Hi guys, I'm Sherry. Today's video is actually another episode of my Korean shopping haul. So today I would actually like to share with you the next product, which is this, the liquid glitter shadow. So I actually get to know about this product from Eglips is through this YouTuber Katie, Hello Katie from Taiwan. So she actually got herself this glitter shadow through Q10, and then I also actually decided to try them out knowing that my friend is going to Korea, so it will be easier to actually get this. So I actually got her to help me buy two different colors, a lighter shade of pink and the other one is with a little bit darker pink reddish copper tone. Because for glitter shadow, the undertone of this product will not be very pigmented, so I actually thought to share with you about this product and the application of this glitter shadow by sharing with you a short makeup tutorial on my eye look. So I will be doing actually a simple eye makeup look, and then to top up the eye makeup look with this glitter shadow to show you the effect and the application of this product. So now let's move on to the tutorial then. Alright, so for now I have already done up with my foundation and my brows, and I have already set my makeup. So now let's start with my eye primer. I'll be using this as a base, using my finger, and then spread it over the lids. Then I'll be using this, the orange color. And then just gently blend to the front a little bit. Then with the same color, also do it for the lower eye corner. And then just lightly blend it to the middle. Then for the middle to the front, I will use this base color. You can also use a brush, and then use a little bit of red. To blend it. Just till your double eyelid move, blend a little bit on top, so that there is more gradient to the eye look. So it's not a very bright orange with a little tint of red inside. Alright, so this is the eye look for today. Lastly, that is our theme for today, which is using the liquid glitter. There are two different shades that I have now. One is 4 and one is 5. Number 4 is the metallic rose. It's a little bit more copper-like. And then number 5 is the Love Twinkle, which is more pinky. I will leave the details in the description below. For this series, I believe they have other colors as well. So for those who are interested, may actually go search around to see how you can actually get this. Let's look at the packaging first. It's this kind of rose gold cover and then a transparent container. And it's stated Lively Liquid Glitter Shadow. It's a very simple and nice packaging with acrylic transparent container. So let me show you on my hand how does it look like when we spread out. So the application is like a concealer application. As you can see here, that the head is a little bit getting narrower to the tip, broader on the bottom. And the application is for you to just dab a few dabs and then just spread it out. So on my hand, before you spread it out, it looks like this. Then when you actually gently dab it, and it just gives you the shine and glitter. The color is actually very light, even though you see that it's a very dark color here, and the color is just a little tint of it. But the glitter is actually pretty obvious. Not sure if you can see them. This is the number 4, the metallic rose color. So now let's try it on the eye. Let me zoom back a little. I will use number 4, the metallic rose on top, and the lovely Twinkle at the bottom. Dab a little in the middle, and then just spread it out. Now let's try the number 5, Love Twinkle. Put it beside. The number 5 is very light, but as you can see for number 4, which is the metallic rose, the pinkish reddish tone is more obvious, whereas for the number 5, you can only see the glitter and shine on it, and not really the pinkish undertone. Now let's try the Love Twinkle. I will actually apply this for my lower lid. So what I do is I will just apply very little to the center right under my eyebrow, and then use my pinky to just spread it. And this is how it looks like. Because of the formula they use and the glitter they have, and how nicely it actually falls on your eyelid, I actually quite like this product. So for people who wants to try like this kind of glitter shadow, and you don't wish to have the glitter fall all over your face, I think you can actually try this liquid glitter. Alright, so then now let's complete the rest of my eye look. Apply a little bit of mascara. Alright, so now that's the completed eye look for today. A few colors on the eyeshadow and also using the liquid glitter as well. So then let's add a little bit more to complete the whole makeup look for today. So I'll be using this blusher. And then a little bit of lipstick. Alright, so I have already completed my makeup for today, and also to share with you guys on the liquid glitter. Lastly, another thing that I want to share with you, because I think I will not be able to share with you at the moment on the effect and reviews of this product. This is also part of my Korea shopping haul, which is the M.A.C All Kill Tint Remover. this is how it looks like. It's a little bit like a, you know, like a mini toner container. So when you actually open up, is this kind of bottle form where you have to actually pour out the content. So I will try to use this for a while to see how's the effect and my personal review and experience of using this. So actually for today's video, I have already then completed all the makeup products that I actually purchased from Korea. So hope you guys enjoy these few episodes of my Korea shopping haul. So please continue to show your support to my YouTube videos. Please leave your comments below if there is any, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!